Did you know that one glass of pineapple and cucumber juice can help boost your immune system, hydrate your body, and even aid digestion all at once? It's a powerhouse drink that can transform your health in just minutes a day. Hi there! Today we're talking about one of the most refreshing and health-boosting drinks out there, pineapple and cucumber juice. It's gaining popularity for a reason, and we're about to dive into why you might want to add this to your daily routine. Hydration and nutrition are two key pillars of health. But let's face it, staying hydrated and eating healthy can be a challenge. Whether you're busy, feeling tired, or craving something sweet, it's easy to reach for sugary drinks or snacks that do more harm than good. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even weaken your immune system. And without the right nutrients, your body may not function at its best. The question is, how can we find a drink that's both refreshing and packed with health benefits? Let's break it down. First up, pineapple. It's not just delicious, it's loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Plus, it's great for your skin. And then we have cucumber, one of the most hydrating vegetables around. It's made up of about 95% water, but it doesn't stop there. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants, and they're great for detoxifying your body and promoting weight loss. Now here's where the magic happens. When you combine pineapple and cucumber in juice form, you get the ultimate health drink. Pineapple's sweet and tangy flavor perfectly balances with cucumber's refreshing taste, creating a drink that not only tastes amazing, but also hydrates your body and supports digestion. It's perfect for starting your day, cooling down after a workout, or even as a healthy afternoon snack. Plus, it's super easy to make at home. So, there you have it, the incredible health benefits of pineapple and cucumber juice. It's not just a tasty drink, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can help you stay hydrated, boost your immune system, and support your overall health. Ready to give it a try? Let me know what you think in the comments, and feel free to share your own juice recipes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on healthy living. Cheers to your health!